Today I am going to introduce about chapter number 7, point number 2, glimpses of India. In this lesson, we have to learn Coorg. This is an unknown word, but later you will study about Coorg. This has been written by Lokesh Abrol. Already we should know where is Coorg, why is Coorg famous for. Coorg is the smallest district of Karnataka that we can see in the picture of India, map of India. This is Karnataka state, and Coorg is between Mangalore, coastal town, and Bangalore. That's why we can say Coorg is situated between Mangalore, coastal town, and Bangalore city. That's why Coorg is the smallest district of Karnataka, which is situated between Mangalore, coastal town, and Bangalore. According to the map, we can describe it. Now, we should go for why is Coorg famous for? Coorg is famous for coffee estates, spices, and rainforests. After this, we should know about 30% of Coorg is surrounded by the rainforests, and the Coorg is like this, which is surrounded by high and low mountains. Your high and low hills in Coorg. Already we should know that this is Coorg, and from high and low hills of Coorg, Kaveri rivers comes out. That is Kaveri river. Ka means Karnataka, Coorg, and Kaveri. And after this, we should know about the people of Karnataka. That is passage number, paragraph number 2 or 3. The people of Coorg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. It means to say that they are not Indians, but they are of Arabic descent. According to the story, they are called Coorgi. They look like martial men. According to the story, if you go to Coorg and if you study Coorg, you will find that they are not Indians, but the origins of Coorg are of Arabic descent, and they are like martial men, which have the sense of hospitality also. And after we can say dress, they are using the dress which is known as kufiya in Arab, which is known as kufiya in Coorg. There is no more difference. Kuffi, that is Arab. PP, that is Coorg in India. That's why we can say that according on the base of dress, they are not Indian, but their origin is of Arab. In this way, Coorg is a piece of heaven. If you go, you can enjoy very much. There are many spots, there are many animals, there are many mountains, there are many hills. If you go to Coorg, you can enjoy, you can remain for a longer time, then you will find yourself in the lap of nature. I hope this is a very interesting lesson. Please go and consult your chapter 7, point number 2 from Glimpses of India, that is Coorg by Lokesh Abrol. Thank you very much.